correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now to this our channel. If na the first time when I dey waka jam this our channel, make una follow us, make una like our page, and make una help us dey share our videos. Una know say na ogbonge updated news, breaking news, correct tori na we dey carry come for una for here. So if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we be like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. Anyway, my people, make we enter the updates and the tori wey we carry come for una like this. Make una watch. Yes, so my people, Asari Dokubo on this one again. E don come outside again like this. Hey, this time around na two updates na we carry come concerning Asari Dokubo. The first one be say he do video where he talk say if government consider him with the boys, he go with Niger Republic, bring back democracy for Niger Republic. I will show that the video where for talk that thing. And also another video still there wey be say e dey go around now say Asari Dokubo don plant boys na the screen so for around this presidential election tribunal court for Abuja ahead of judgement. Na boys, Asari Dokubo boys now na dey see like this too for screen wey don plant round court. My people, not be small thing o. He don plant these boys round court ahead of judgement for presidential election tribunal court o in support of Tinubu. Hey, not be small thing, my people. Make I play una this video now, make una watch and hear.
See, they are rented buses.
Yes, so my people, now see, not be small thing o. These people wey don plant for court environ for Abuja like this o. Make I play una this video now, make una watch and hear wetin dey talk concerning say make dem send him go with J Republic, make him go arrange democracy for there back. Make una lis ten to her.
It's not a boast. If the government commission us to go, if Benin Republic like, let them go and bring anybody. They are human beings. Owekeme, Olotu. They are human beings like us. We will go there, we will defeat them, and we'll come back victorious, and we'll restore democratic order in Benin Republic. The government commissioned me and my people to go to Niger Republic. We'll go, we'll defeat them, and we'll come back victorious. It's not.
Hey, my people, not be small thing o. This Asari matter not be small thing. This one na drama, not be small. Na Niger you wan come face now. Anyway, my people, na the update wey carry come like this be this. So how una see am from the court wey don mad people put to and the Niger Republic wey talk say him go fit go take care of if government assign him to go. How una visit this whole matter, my people? Make una drop una comment so and make una no forget to like and share. Na do well.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to